Hello, everybody. What's up, guys? Can you hear me? Please drop some messages, some good messages if you can hear me. कहाँ कहाँ से हो सब लोग? So we got 67 people watching. Drop a chat. I need concurrent chats, like not some boring stuff, yaar. कर दो. So you guys have the energy right now. So you guys have 3 days to build something awesome. So I need some energy. Then only I'll start. 80 watching. So where are you guys from? Drop your city. I am from Chennai. So where are you guys from? So there will be a little bit latency with this YouTube streaming thing. So I hope you guys don't mind as far as I just show you the problem statement. Gurugram, Coimbatore, UP, Ahmedabad, Mudit Jain, Dahod, Kartik Rajput, Dehradun, Motive Shots, Delhi, short and fast pointers. Yeah, quite, don't worry. अभी मचा देंगे. Yes. XOD, Tripura, Rolex, Pune. Okay, Querity, Chennai. Wow, Querity, I'm also from Chennai. I'm from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, Karnal. Awesome, Odisha. भाई बस इतने ही लोग हो क्या? We got 120 watching, guys. There should be some good reactions, a lot of chats. Like the chat should run like a train, right? It should be fast. Assam. Damn, Ahmed, awesome, dude. Lahore. Welcome, Pratik Sharma. Guys, please ask your team members. Kolhapur. Soham Patel. Shadow Sniper, Hyderabad. Mohit Kumar, Patna. Mahima Singh, Gurgaon. Sam Minion. Hi guys from Chennai. I'm from Chennai, Sam Minion. Awesome. Crack nerds, Amritsar. भाई इतने लोग क्या बोल. Okay, secretly Germany. Awesome. Cha. Crack nerds, Amritsar. Harnoor Singh, it's from Amritsar, guys. Red light signal. Red lights है, सिग्नल नहीं मिला है. ये क्या बोल रहे हो? ओके, उनो, लखनऊ, हर्ष कुमार, हैदराबाद, बैंगलोर, पुणे. Damn. We got a lot of people. So Tutedude is now uniting everybody inside this hackathon. No, not an hackathon actually. This is a buildathon. I'm sorry. Vijayawada. Awesome. Awesome, guys. Awesome. So one more thing, guys. Again, there will be a bit of a latency in the stream because YouTube streaming, right? And yeah, so that's why, guys. So I hope you guys don't mind. Chennai, Prayagraj. This Kaushal is spam. I'm from Coimbatore. Kolkata, Kanpur. Take my name, Naman Pandey. Naman Pandey, I'm not some YouTuber, dude. Don't worry. Raj Singh, I'm from home. Why? Joke, noise, comedy. Shadow Sniper, Kolkata. There are a lot of gamers also inside this. Let's start. Wait, dude. We still got times here to wait. UB Thamilan YT channel, Chennai, awesome. Bangalore, take my name. Pune, Priyansh Narang, guys. Priyansh Narang is going to win this buildathon. Take my word. He's from Pune. Okay, Param Choks, Gujarat, Kolkata, Varanasi, Shelidanga, Sangli, not less than a YouTuber. Sujit's Tech Bites, Varanasi. A lot of people from Varanasi also. Chennai, Varanasi, Mumbai, Gujarat. Okay, guys. Okay, it's 7 now. West Bengal, Hyderabad. Okay, let's start. Let's not waste any time. drop some good reactions. We need some good amount of likes, guys. We have 190 people watching. Let's target 50 likes. Okay, unless we hit 50 likes, I'm not starting. Just joking. But yeah, 50 likes. It would be an appreciation for us. So yeah, if you guys can like the stream, that would be awesome. So come on, guys, drop some likes. 200 watching. Awesome, awesome. I'm starting. Okay, I'm starting. Let's just touch 40 likes right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's start. Let's start. Yeah, I'm not gonna waste any time. Sorry. Yep. Okay. So, hey everyone, welcome to the Buildathon by YouTube. Sorry, Tutedude. So this is not some boring college hackathon, but this Buildathon, na, this one is going to actually make you think, build, and pitch like a real product team. Okay, so you guys gonna think of a problem, you're gonna build the solution of it, and then you are going to pitch. So everything is included here. So before we start, obviously hit that like button. Let's set a target. We have 200 people watching. Obviously, my mind is saying 200 likes. So I think that is possible. If you guys think, कर दो like. Waste मत करो time. ठीक है? What does tutedude means? Tutedude means tute in the sense tutor. Dude means friend, right? So we are your friend who are teaching you. So that's how the name. I hope you like it. Let's get started. Now, before we start, there will be a bit of a starting trouble. So you guys have to, see it. Like we are providing you the platform here, so you have to just adjust a little bit. ठीक है ना? सबर कर लो. Let's start. Let's start. Screen दिख रही है ना guys? Can you guys see my screen? YouTuber ना ही बोल के YouTuber वाले काम रोजी रोटी है भाई. ठीक है. How long is the live, guys? We'll end in 30 minutes. Okay, so like you can just take your Instagram doom scrolling time of 30 minutes into this, which is more productive. ठीक है. So let's get started. Okay, so a quick question before we dive in. Okay, okay, is it like hackathon? It is an hackathon, Abhishek. Don't worry. Okay, I think now you guys can see my screen. Okay, there is a bit delay, guys. First of all, so I'll just start then. Let's not wait then. Okay, so a quick question. Wait, let me just pause. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. 5 minutes more. 5 minutes, guys. सबर कर लो, सबर कर लो, सबर कर लो. 5 minutes, guys. Let's wait 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Let's not. So everyone, so where are you guys from is what my question was at that time. Now tell me your profession. Are you guys working or are you guys students? Like how is it? How is the heat here? Let's see the heat. Students, okay. Okay, student is one. Okay, only Priyansh Narang told that they are students. What about others, guys? Okay, bachelor, not married. Oh my god. Students working, internship, a lot of students. Awesome. So the heat here, awesome. A CA also is joined here. Karthik is a CA. Game developer is there. भाई साहब, there are भाई इतने लोग हैं, टैलेंटेड लोग हैं. गाइस 200 people watching. लाइक मार दो यार. 5 मिनट वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, डूम स्क्रोलिंग नहीं करेंगे. अभी इधर पूरा प्रोडक्टिव करेंगे काम. So what do you guys think buildathon is? What do you guys think would be a buildathon? What happens here exactly? फिक्सर है भाई. प्रियांश नरंग जीतेगा. नहीं नहीं नहीं. हाँ हाँ हाँ, हमें पता नहीं यार, कोई भी जीत सकता है. आई डोंट नो. नाउ इफ लेट्स से नारंग actually wins, you dude gets the blame. I'm not some astrologer though. Just told. Entrepreneur, मॉन्स्टैक डेवलपर रितु awesome. अभी टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है. टाइम वेस्ट नहीं हो रहा है, लोग और लोग आ रहे हैं, सो वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर देम. Build something feasible. People win money. We build solution to a problem. Aeronautical engineer is also there. How much time this would take? Guys, just one thing. I will not waste you guys' time. So we'll just take 20, 30 minutes. 30 minutes max. Yeah. Build solution to the problem. Something create unique and usable. Design sprint. Okay. We have to build a project. Data scientist. Cricketer. Okay. अरे someone is copying the description and telling Tutedude Buildathon is national level. Yeah. Very good. I will problems for solution. That's what everyone does. Good job. Good job. We got 250 watching. Yeah, I am going to start in 2 minutes. So within these 2 minutes, can we, like, with your power, obviously you have that power, can we make 150 likes? I don't know. Just guessing. हो सकता है क्या यार? दे दो यार 150 like. Good boy. 150 likes कर दो. Does it have to be unique? It depends. If your solution is better in terms, then subscribe भी कर दो. Guys, yeah, one more thing. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. The reason I'm telling you is, if you just go to YouTube of ours and you just go and see the videos, we actually call people who are professionals and experts and also industry people, and we do podcasts with them. So that is actually that'll obviously be useful for you guys. So do subscribe us. ठीक है? Give your intro. I don't need a intro, bro. We are all here for the problem. Build an example. There, do your intro. Give your intro. Oh my god, you guys need my intro. I'll give my intro in the results reveal YouTube stream at that time. Have some suspense. Please be fast. Our time is precious. Yeah, bro. I'm starting. Please don't spam यार. App day मन of कुआं क्या है यार नाम, बड़ा नाम मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है. Sorry. Okay. Yes, I am. Don't worry, dude. थोड़ा तो सब्र करो लो. Spam मत करो यार. Yes, dude. 7:10. I'm starting. Now it's 7:09 for me. I'm starting it right now. I'm in 6th standard. Awesome, dude. 6th standard में नहीं काम. छोटी बच्ची हो क्या? Hi, sir. What topics are we going to learn today? We're not going to learn any topics, dude. We're going to do some awesome stuff. आपका नाम सलमान है? Yeah, boy. I have 1 year experience in Mondstack. Okay, it's 7:10 now. I'm gonna start. Let's not waste any time, since your time is precious, as you guys told. Yeah, so before we dive in, answer this honestly in the chat, guys. Ever felt completely lost about your career? Like, are you guys one of this? If yes, please just drop it in the chat. Are you guys like? Do you guys fall under any of these circumstances? A lot of people are saying yes, 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 yeah. Lonely, lonely. I'm Mr. No. 91 here. Okay, yes, lonely. Don't worry, Priyansh. Dude is with you. I'll Priyansh, one more thing is waiting for you. I'll show about that lonely thing. Okay. Okay, damn bro, इतने लोग yes डाल रहे हैं. Happy being in UI UX. Above all of the above missing है. भाई मैं कौन से वाले में हूँ? Yes, I am in this part, guys. I am in the wrong. I was in the wrong peer group. Okay, lot of people. Okay, ज्ञान की तस्तरी. Please, what are from these groups? Will we get the PPT? I relate all the things. मेरे बस चले गए बताओ. Okay, is it necessary to build an app or will we have a prototype? Loneliness, none of the above. Okay, so for you guys, right? So yeah, this might sound like a marketing thing, but no, I'll just tell you why. See, so for you guys, what we have is welcome to Tutedude. Alright, if that's you, if any of this thing is you, welcome to Tutedude. So yeah, this is not just another course site. So here's what we do differently. Okay, so what we do is you can learn any course. I'll just jump back to my screen. Yep. So can you guys see the screen? The point is, whatever you do, you can learn anything for free, right? Wait a minute. Yep. Huh. You can learn any course completely for free. Yes, with a refund, obviously. You just have to finish it in 3 months with assignments. You can also get access to live 1:1 mentorship, right? I'll just show you how. So these are the amount of courses that we have. That means we have about a lot of courses. You can just go through each of them, and each course just costs you $1. I mean, just $6.99. And now I'll tell you what all you get in that $6.99. Okay, so once you join this course, let's say you join this course, right? So once you join this course, what you'll do is you'll enroll by paying $6.99, and then you'll complete that course within 3 months, and then you get 100% refund back into your bank account. Okay, and so once you get your money back, the course doesn't go away. It is already, I mean, it'll stay with you forever. And also, we'll keep on updating the course, right? At that point also it will be updated. That means you just pay. If you complete it within 3 months, you get your money back, and also you'll get your updates for lifetime, right? So that's the whole point of it. And also you'll get internship opportunities. And now you guys might wonder, what is this three things wala thing na? 1 minute. My mic got off, sorry. Okay, yeah, so what you get here is like so yeah, you got your idea from the website, right? Now I'll just show you the best part of this course, and that is this dashboard. Like, you'll get your dashboard. You can, I mean, move through all your courses, whatever your course you have, and whatever you are learning, right? The leaderboard of it, weekly and overall learning streak of yours, right? So this is a more detailed dashboard that no, like not much brands give you, right? So you can learn anything, any course you want, and then boom, you get your money back. And yeah, so this was the a dashboard, right? First best part. Another best part was that refund offer. Now the third best part is the live campus. Here you will get 1:1 mentorship. That is, this will be like a 2D game for you, you know. And now let's say you're learning a Python course. At that point, you can just jump in here, and then your course instructor will be there. That means, let's say mentor Vipin is here for my own stack. I'll just go into this room, ask doubts, right? So yeah, that's what we were trying to do. So we'll just share you the links and don't worry about it. And now let me just move back to the slide, right? And do not leave now. Okay, now I'm going to start. Yep. So I hope you guys are not yet bored. I'm sorry if that was boring for you guys. Now, before you zone out or you start scrolling Instagram, do not. Right now, because there is one more thing, and that is use code and get 200% off. That is, build 200 is your code, and you can get 200% off on any course you want. Right? Awesome. So now let's get started. And that's valid today till 11:59 p.m. obviously. So yeah, we can just give it to you forever. Okay, so now moving on, let's start the thing. Now the thing is, theme reveal is there. Now guess, what do you think is the problem statement is? Now listen carefully. Okay, now what you're going to do is, you are going to build the whole problem, I mean the whole solution out of it. ठीक है now. Now guess what do you think the problem is? So before jumping into the problem, what we are going to do is, most hackathons, what I've seen in most hackathons, what they do is they do the copy pasting the code or fixing button colors, or they'll itself give you the problem and tell you to solve it. Okay, but this one, nope, it doesn't happen like that. So what we are going to do here is, we are going to give you a theme. Okay, so we are going to give you a theme, and you are going to build anything you want, but the solution should be obviously clear. Okay, now you can build a mobile app, you can build a web app, you can build any hardware, or you can build any AI integrated system, or whatever you want, but the problem you solve should be clear enough. Okay, so that's what we need to do. So yeah, let's pull back the energy, guys. Let's pull back the energy. Come back, come back. So are you guys clear till this? Are you guys clear till this? Please drop a yes. We got 260 people watching. Please drop a yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Yeah, okay, okay. So yeah, so there has been a lot of zone outing stuff. Let's just come back here. Okay, so what this the ultimate goal of this hackathon, right, is to solve a real problem, is to design, build, pitch like an actual startup. Okay, so you'll work with a team and not a spoon fed problem, right? You go from idea to execution in 48 hours. Okay, awesome. Now, moving on, the teamwork. Teamwork here is very important, guys. And the reason I'll tell you why. See, in your team, in your whole team, na, there will be designers, there will be developers, and there will be other people also. Correct? So, empowering is what you're going to do here. So, no matter what role you play, this buildathon needs you. See, designers are there, right? You'll make sure your design looks clear, it feels easy, and solves the right problem, right? Your weapon is empathy, and then comes developers. So, developers, what they'll do is they'll turn that ideas into actual working tools, back end, front end, APIs, or all that jazz or whatever. Okay, and then we have a group of other people who are not designers and developers but are problem solvers, product managers, thinkers, right? So these people, you are the glue for the designer and developer. So you'll research the users, you'll validate the idea, you'll frame the right problem, and then you keep everyone on track. So your deliverables would be, let's say, research notes, problem statement, pitch deck, and everything. So that's your whole point, right? Now, do you guys know what the prize money is? Do you guys know what the prize money is? 10,000. Okay, 1 lakh. 10, 10k, 10k. Okay, 10k, 10 crore. Awesome, 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 awesome. Okay, so yeah, as you guys said, 10k is the prize money. Now, let's just jump in directly. So, any guesses what the problem statement could be? Any guesses? Guess, guys, what the problem statement could be. Just drop your guesses. No idea, no idea. Gautami Botsa. Come on, come on, come on, guys, come on, guys. Team is in real life. Team is build crazy shit together. AI agent. No, build an AI agent. Nah, dude. Give a clue. 6 minutes to 7:30. Yeah, yeah. Guess, guys. Guess, yeah. E-commerce, AI agents. How not to get bored. Please don't stop in between, dude. Clue. iPhone app थोड़ा into दे दो. Money laundering. Climate change related. Your channel promotion. Create crazy stuff with AI. EdTech. Tax evasion. Education management system. You can guess, dude. Obviously, there could be some. It's like something that related to your well-being. Okay, terrestrial. Build an emoji. Public transport. Fintech. Depends on website audience. Fintech. Fintech. Okay. Small parking system. AI gambling app. Love Yojana app. Why you guys are funny, dude? ठीक है, ऑनलाइन कोर्स पब्लिश डब्बा कार्टल. क्या क्या नाम बोल रहे हैं? AI healthcare, apocalypse, how to remove GST. Bhai, this is going political. I am just So we're gonna show you guys. I'm not gonna. Okay, the part is no one got it right, right? So I'm just laughing at you guys. You guys couldn't find or couldn't guess. Like it is an easy thing, guys. You guys told a lot of categories, but couldn't tell one category. I think one guy told. Some people told. Yeah, some people told. Now the category, the theme is healthcare. Exactly. So you guys are going to work on the theme of healthcare, right? So why this exact theme is because India's healthcare system, na, it is full of opportunities and challenges, right? Long hospital queues, poor appointment systems, lack of access in rural areas, expensive treatments, outdated software, or jata hi hoga problem, right? And insurance process is just a few issues people face every day. Now, as a builder yourself and your team, you have a unique opportunity to make a real difference, right? So this hackathon and this buildathon obviously invites you to look beyond just apps code. No one wants you to just build an app, dude. Okay, so you have to empathize, you have to understand the pain of the people, right? And you just have to look beyond just apps code and into how technology design and empathy can genuinely improve people's lives. Okay, so a lot of people might think that this could be just basic theme, but no, if you just dig deeper na, there are a lot of things that are unsolved which you guys can solve and you guys can actually make a startup out of it, right? So yeah, you won't be given a ready made problem statement here. Instead, you'll be working with a broad theme that is healthcare, which I just show you. Now, yeah, your task is to dig deep, explore the ecosystem, identify real problems or real pain points faced by patients, doctors, caregivers are there, hospitals are there, pharma labs are there, pathology labs are there, admin chaos is there, a lot of things that can be solved, right? So you just have to build a meaningful solution, guys. That's what you guys need to do importantly as a designer, developer, or whatever. Okay, now what we are going to do is, nextly, first, tomorrow by 11 a.m. you have to submit your problem statement. That means you guys might have like got an idea of whatever problem you want to solve in the healthcare industry. You just have to create a problem statement and submit it in the form that will give you obviously by tomorrow 11 a.m. Okay, just the problem statement, not anything else. And then what you have to do is, then you have to submit your solution on 15th July 11:59 p.m. Okay, so yeah, now there is bonus also. So the bonus is, post your work on LinkedIn, like and clearly pitch your problem, and people will see obviously, and you get extra 10 points for that. Okay, so this is one more judging criteria we have added. I'll just switch to the portal, switch to the, can you guys see the problem statement document? Can you guys see the problem statement, guys? It's 15th June, guys. It's 15th June. Wait, I'll show you. Yeah, it's 15th June and 15th, I mean 13th June. Sorry, guys. Sorry. So there has been a little bit change. I'm sorry. So yeah, 15th June, 15th June. Yeah, we'll share the Notion file. Don't worry. We'll share the Notion file. And yeah. So can you guys see the screen? So yeah, inside this whole document you'll find everything from top to bottom. So yeah, sorry everyone. Yeah, so this is the background that which I explained to you guys, and the problem. Now what you have to do is you have to identify a specific problem in the healthcare domain, and then you have to research it, speak to users, interview people, read forums, and you just don't have to assume, okay? And then you have to design a thoughtful, user friendly solution. You need to focus on the clarity of it. And then what you have to do is you have to build a fully functional MVP or a prototype, okay? And then you have to present your solution clearly in a short structured pitch of 5 minutes, okay? So yeah, the ultimate thing, the best thing that we are going to give you guys is you can, and it is mandatory, you can and you are encouraged to use AI to solve the real problem, okay? But if you are using AI, the whole solution should be functional, and it should not be a dummy piece, which means every backend and everything should work. And yeah, so you can feel free to use any tools, like tools and platforms like Replit is there, Lovable is there, which you can use to build web apps. You can use Firebase Studio, Google Stitch is there, ChatGPT obviously everyone will use, I know. And yeah, you can have your custom APIs, tech stack, whatever you want, you can just use it, okay? And what you should not do, you should not just copy some existing app that's there and just redesign the UI of it, right? And you don't have to solve a generic problem without any realism. Like, you might have assumed that this could be a problem, but without speaking to users you can't, right? So yeah, like, you have to avoid dumping every idea into one solution. Simpler is smarter, right? Yeah, don't submit without testing your prototype. Obviously, as I said, it should be a fully functional MVP or a prototype. Some might just complain that we have less time. See, AI is there, you can just give a prompt and there it is. You can quickly build a whole prototype of it, right? And then you just have to do your stuff. See, the ultimate goal of a hackathon is to work under pressure, okay? So you guys are complaining about time, but there is nothing that you have to complain about, because this is a hackathon. You have to take the steps and you have to work on it. So yeah, okay. So the objective of this whole buildathon is this event will address the above issues, like by encouraging, as I have written, you'll build a MVP. You know how you'll get to know how to solve, find a problem, research about it, design the solution, come up with the MVP. So you'll learn the process of product building, right? Who knows, you might also make this your own startup, right? Now the solution guideline is you can build anything you want. It could be a physical product, it could be a mobile app, it could be a web app, or a hybrid digital plus physical product, or whatever you want, right? The ultimate goal is to solve the problem, and the problem should make sense, okay? So yeah, and some people might just come up with a problem and they'll build a landing page or a website which showcases the features of it. So that's not what we want. We need the actual working software or the physical product that directly solves the core problem, okay? So you have to focus entirely on the solution and not its presentation, okay? So yeah, design guideline, you can use whatever design style you want. If you're building a software solution, there is shadcn, there is material UI, whatever you want, okay? Now an example scenario that I'm going to show you is, see, let's say the abstract problem is, so don't copy this, okay? Now let's say you're helping elderly people to remember their medicine time. So what you will build, a mobile app could be an app that sends reminder or track missed doses and alerts caregivers. Or else you'll build a small pill box that is a physical product, right? Or you can build an AI assistant, whatever you want, but the problem needs to be solved, right? So yeah, so you need to build that real thing, the working app or the device logic or the backend. So the whole MVP should be built, right? Kaushal Loya, we don't need an app or website, just I just explained, right? Okay, I am under a delay, right? So I might have missed. Yeah, now Moving on, we are now going to talk about deliverables. What deliverables you guys need to give us? The first is the solution explanation video, which is a demo video of whatever you built, right? You need to pitch it. See, you don't have to show that I'll click this button and I go to this page. We don't want that. What exactly is your problem? Okay, what exactly is what you're solving? So you need to create that video under 5 minutes. It should be 5 minutes max. If it exceeds 5 minutes, we'll only watch till 5 minutes and we'll stop. So you just have to keep that in mind. Also, you need to introduce your team at the start, and then you need to explain your problem, and then the why of it, the why behind it, that is your research, and then you have to explain your solution. Okay, all these under 5 minutes. Now then comes the PPT. So the PPT is simple. It should be 4 slide or 5 slide, but the 4 slide are the mandatory ones. One is the extra slide. First slide is your title and your team name and who are all in the team, right? And then we have the problem, what issue you chose and why, and then the research of it, and then the solution of it. Okay, and then what we'll do is, if you are designing, right, so it is a brownie point for you. So if you are designing first on Figma and then you're going to code it, you'll get a brownie point if you upload your design file. And then obviously we need this mandatorily coded file, GitHub, and yeah, all the source code files should be uploaded to your GitHub repository, and it will just view for confirmation, validation and verification. Okay, and what we need importantly is your public solution deployed link. Let's say you post it on Netlify or Vercel or any other hosting platform. Just have to provide us a link of public view. Okay, so yeah, please do not copy from any other source. Like any plagiarism will lead to a team disqualification. Sajan Gupta, can you tell me, if I'm making an AI integrated website, then what should my prototype need to be said as complete? Should my prototype? So yeah, if you're building your demo product, that product, if that product has AI, you just have to explain the problem of what this AI integrated website does, what problem it solves, and why of it, and then your solution. Kind of that only. Okay. Now, the evaluation criteria. These are the 6 evaluation criteria that we are looking upon along with that LinkedIn thing. Okay. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is, first we'll see whether the problem that you have chosen is relevant and impactful or not, right? Secondly, what we'll do is, how unique and creative is your solution. Third, what we'll do is, how well is the user research and validation being done, right? And then, does the work prototype that you have given us while we are using it, if that works, will give you the point, obviously, right? And how user friendly and visually appealing is the design of it, and then how clearly you have explained that this is the pitch. Okay, so I'll tell you, this is the problem relevance thing, this is the uniqueness of your solution, whether you have done research, that means empathy, we're checking your empathy here. And in the fourth part, we'll see whether you can actually build stuff, and fifth one, whether you have the visual eye of it, and then the sixth one is how well you can communicate. So all of this is being evaluated for you guys. Okay, so only these 6 things are being evaluated, and then there are tips to win. Basically, the product, like the whole thing, must be submitted by 15th, right? Yes, secret level, yeah, it should be submitted by 15th, correct. Now these are some tips to win. Actually, to be honest, this is true. Okay, see, pick a very specific use case. A niche use case is better than a broad use case, right? So what I'm trying to tell is, if you take this example, if you just use this example, we're not going to evaluate, obviously, so keep that in mind. Yeah, so that thing, so you need to be very niche about it, so then you can solve a really cool problem, right? You need to validate your problem with real people. You need to build something that works, even if it's small, but if it works, that's your brownie point. And then make your demo video feel like a product pitch. I think most of people here, like 200 people, obviously 200 people might have seen Shark Tank or any business episodes, right? There people pitch, right? So like that you have to pitch. You have to learn how to communicate, right? And you have to prioritize simplicity, especially in the UI and storytelling. How well you can uh, explain the problem, okay? And this is also one thing, just don't just focus on the tech part of it, explain the why behind your choices. If you have chosen this problem, there should be a strong why behind it. It could be a personal problem also, doesn't matter, right? And yeah, then comes this one where you get 10 extra points, where you have to write about your buildathon experience with Tutedude, how well the whole system has been organized for you. And then you have to post the demo video. Posting the demo video will be a good choice, I would say. And then tag your teammates and Tutedude along with Tutedude, then only we can also see that. And yeah, add your link, LinkedIn post in the Google form. We'll have the link, then you have to post that. Okay, so this will give you extra 10 points. So yeah, we that means 6 evaluation criterias and 10 extra points for you. Okay, awesome. Now comes the timeline. So the buildathon launches today. Now tomorrow, by tomorrow 11 a.m., what you have to do is you have to submit your problem statement, and then from tomorrow 11 a.m. to June 15, 11:59 p.m., you have to build, test and refine your solution. Okay, and then you have to submit your final project by that deadline. Okay, awesome. So now what you have to do is, the winner team prize is 10,000 rupees, as you guys know. And then a winner's announcement will be within a week. All participations will receive a certificate. Yeah, now the submission guideline. So the solution submission link, it will open on June 14, 11:59 p.m. Now the problem statement submission link is already available, so you don't have to worry about it. The submission guideline, it should be made in a digital format. So even if it is a physical product, make a video out of it and then give it to us. Now submission should be only one per team. Let's say you guys are 5 per team, right? So 5 people don't need to just submit. One guy from a team, that means the team lead can just submit it. Now the solution explanation video, which is the demo video, must be uploaded to Drive or YouTube or wherever you want, but it should be public. That means if we click, we just have to view it. Even your GitHub or whatever link you provide, it should be public. Otherwise they won't be evaluated, because we can't even, like, we won't even able to be we won't even be able to evaluate it, right? So yeah, now this is an important thing, guys. The solution explanation video, it should not exceed 5 minutes, right? And yeah, team information, as I said in the demo video, you have to explain it prior itself, so that we get this is mandatory, because we need to identify which team, because there might be two teams with the same name but different team members, right? Should we make a video physically or the demo screen recording is fine, just that you have to explain your problem, the why behind it and the solution. Okay, and we have given you ultimate 3 best resources that has been checked and verified, so you can get idea from this. And yeah, who is this for? This is for you guys. And yeah, there is a kind of a note for you guys, which you guys can see. Like, you can click here and then you can read it. So yeah, that's how the whole thing. Now let's jump to the doubts session. If you guys have any doubts, please drop your doubts and I'll be there to help you guys. Does healthcare team include accessibility tech? Yeah. You can use ChatGPT and ask it, it'll tell you. Don't worry. Presentation language. English should be like, backend is needed or only front end will be okay. Someone deleted it, I guess. Is there any support from you? Dude, you have AI, you can ask ChatGPT, you can do whatever you want. Just come up with a problem. You might have gotten some problem in your mind or your personal problem. If you don't want a website, what do you exactly want? Like a website in the sense, see, a website, a landing page is not what we want, right? So you can create a web app, something that is like a software that is running on Chrome or any other browser. Okay, where to submit, will provide you the link. You told that need to introduce the teammates. How? So you can introduce the teammates by just telling their names. That's enough. Guys, you can create whatever you want under the healthcare tech. It could be a mobility thing, right? For let's say like a concept thing, whatever. Tell an example so we can understand YouTube. Example scenario, let's say the abstract problem, helping elderly people remember to take their medicines on time. Can you guys see this? So this is one problem. So for this problem there can be multiple solution. You could create a mobile app, or you could create a smart pill box, or you could create an AI assistant. So this is one example for you guys. So you guys, yeah, if you don't have any doubts you can just drop off. So guys, any have any doubts you can ask. Can be deploy using GitHub or Vercel is needed. So yeah, you can use Vercel. If you can deploy with GitHub, that means there should be a link now. Let's say there is tutedude.com, something like that. You'll have x.github.io, like that I'm telling. Arshit Pachoria. Yeah, you can, but you have to identify the problem first. What problem that existing app has. You don't have to copy the app. Can be live it. I don't understand. We have to code the whole app or web app. Yep. You have AI now, dude. You can just. I'm going to help me win it. Guys, now you just have to keep this in mind. The ultimate goal of this buildathon is to solve a problem, is to see whether you are, that means whether you can find a problem and come up with a solution. So that's the whole point here. So think about it. Okay. Yes, dress and true. If you don't have any doubts you can leave. You can create a prototype, big reels. What if I don't have any coders in mind, isn't designing enough? Pratik Sharma, you can create a prototype, a fully working prototype. Yes, Rubul Tanti. Let's build something very valuable. Everyone try your very best. Yes. Everyone stronger, so it may require more time to magnify problem statement. Submit कैसे करना है और कहाँ? We will give you the link, like for the problem statement. It is here, it is right here. That is problem statement submission link. Don't worry, we'll also send it in the group. Okay. Yeah, Sharky Sparky. In fact, we encourage you to do it. We just want to see how well you can come up with a problem and identify a solution. Someone forgot their team name. Help them. Yes, whoever has forgotten their team name, you can just ping the group admin, anyone group admin, and they'll help you out. Don't worry. Data analysis course is contained full syllabus. Uh, there. Wait, I'll just share you the link of it. You can just everyone else gets certificate. Yep. See, the ultimate goal is there should be one winner, not multiple winners. Yeah, boy. Okay, thanks. Do we get a certificate from this? Yeah, everyone gets a participation certificate. Don't worry. If you'll submit the solution, you will get the certificate. Yeah, obviously. That's what. Hey guys, anyone need a teammate? Survey sufficient. Participants will get discounts for the course. About the discounts, we already have provided a discount. That is this. So you guys can use code and get 200 rupees off using this code. Whatever course you want. Yes, RGB zone. It is available lifetime, and you'll get your refund once you have gotten your course. Like once you complete your course along with the assignments, you'll get your money back, right? And you'll also get 1:1 mentorship in a virtual campus. That is this campus. Like this, you can go to any room. See, data analytics room is there, Python room is there. So like this, you can go to any room and you'll get to talk to mentors, right? So just go and buy the course. Through we have already shared it. We have already shared it through. I need the team name. Yes, Shadows and Emperor, don't worry, they'll reply you. Just take some time for them to reply, na? Okay, guys, I think it's time to end the stream. Hope you guys are ready. You guys are working. Let's let's end the stream. Yeah. Okay, guys, take care. Bye bye. Good night. All the best. For me, it's a good night. For you guys, you have to wake up and work on it. All the best. Bye bye.